Hey guys, I'm Soham from Team 16197 Swarm, and today I'll be explaining and describing the SolidWorks UI. When you first open SolidWorks, you'll see this screen. You'll be able to see recent documents you've worked on, recent folders you've worked on, and be able to start creating parts, assemblies, or drawings. Let's go to the Parts menu. When you create a new part, you'll end up on this screen. Here, there are many features you can use. These tabs are folders for each of the features. If you go to the sketch tools, you have different options for lines, rectangles, circles, and different shapes. If you go to evaluate, there are ways to measure your dimension or figure out different things about it. There are also these add-ins where you can use simulation products or motion products to do simulations on the things you create. You'll be mostly using features and sketches when you create parts. In the Features tab, we have Extruded Boss Base. Now, to save stuff, create new parts, and do other things with file saving, you can drag your mouse up to this SolidWorks button. Here, you'll be able to go to File, New, Open, and similar features that you're familiar with from other programs. In the Edit pane, you can undo, redo, and do other things. For View, you can modify how the window layouts work. Insert allows you to insert different features and also insert design tables and mirrored parts. In the Tools section, you can use different tools for special things. In the Simulations tab, you can create simulations or load different simulations. Again, here you can arrange how the windows move around. Here you can click the Help part and go to different guides on how to use different features of SolidWorks. This has just been a brief overview of the SolidWorks UI. In the next video, we'll start working on how to create different parts.